Hey everyone, today I'll show you how you can split audio tracks in VLC media player. So first, when you're in our VLC, you want to just click on view right here. You want to click on advanced controls, and now this should pop up. Once you're here, you want to just play the video to whatever part that you want to split it. For example, this one. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to tools, and then I'm going to go click on preferences. Once I'm here, I'm just gonna go to inputs and codecs, and as you can see, you can just go to these files and record directory or file name. You can just click browse on this one, and you can choose whatever directory that you want. For example, I'm just gonna choose desktop and click select folder, click save, and there you go. Now you know how to split audio tracks in VLC media player. If you guys have any questions, you can just leave down in the comments below and I'll try to answer all of it. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.